Hey guys, this is Danny Baker with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Wanted to show you a 2025 new M24 Bennington. We just got this in, and it's absolutely a gorgeous boat. It's got great sleek lines. It's got beautiful new lights in the front here. All of the docking lights and everything are kind of reset into the panel there. Makes it give it a good clean look. This has the blackout package. It really just adds a lot of class to the boat. This boat comes with an electric bimini top as well, so it's really a cool boat. Check back here to the deck. This has the extended deck on the back, so you got tons of room back here. Especially when you're anchored out, you can jump off and on the boat a lot easier right here. You got 2 speakers recessed back here too as well. This boat is equipped with a 200 Mercury, so it's going to have plenty of power. Let me take you up in the front of the boat here and show you around. I love the way they've done the front of this boat. It's got the stitching, the cross stitching and everything in the back, and this has a new soft touch feel. Has storage underneath all your seats all around the front with the integrated cup holders. And I love the way they've done the speakers here in the front. That has the cover over there that kind of just blends in with the boat. You just don't see a speaker there. It's got the dual captain's chairs, and also for 2025 they have the new Vivid dash system. It gives you all of your touchscreen and Simrad systems right up here in the front. Everything's touchscreen, so it's really nice and easy to use. And this has the quad benching in the back too as well. Gives you plenty of seating for the whole family. So if you would like more information, please contact us here at MarineMax in Greenville, and we'll see you soon.